Meaning of Homo habilis.
Homo habilis.
Homo habilis.
Homo habilis.
Homo habilis. Homo habilis is a species of early human that lived between 2.8 to 1.5 million years ago in East Africa. The name Homo habilis means handy man or skillful person in Latin, as this species is known for its ability to make and use tools. Homo habilis was the first hominin to be recognized as a toolmaker, and their tools allowed them to access new food sources and defend themselves. They also had a larger brain and more advanced cognitive abilities than their Australopithecus ancestors, providing evidence for the evolution of our genus Homo.